Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can move tabs into a tab group in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen and then open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, in here, tap on the tabs button at the bottom and then touch and hold on the tabs that you would like to move into a tab group. Now you can select one or many tabs and then touch and hold and drag it into the tab group right here. Otherwise, what you can do is tap on the move button at the bottom and choose the tab group that you want to move to. And that's it. So now we can tap on the back key and you can see here we have successfully moved some tabs into the tab group. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your current web page or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.